Do you think that cold drinks are just for quenching your thirst? Well, think again. Today we delve into the often overlooked world of cold drinks. Beyond the fizz and the refreshing feeling, there's a lot more going on in that glass than you might imagine. From shocking impacts on your metabolism to surprising benefits for your brain, these 15 unknown facts are set to change the way you view your favorite beverages. Stay tuned as we unveil some unexpected facts about your favorite cold drinks. Starting off our countdown, did you know that cold drinks can actually increase your metabolism? That's right. When you consume a cold beverage, your body has to work a bit harder to warm it up to body temperature. This process, known as thermogenesis, forces your body to burn extra calories, thereby boosting your metabolism. It's a small effect, but every little bit helps when it comes to maintaining a healthy metabolism. So the next time you reach for a cold drink, remember that you're also giving your metabolism a little boost. Moving on to number 14, ever wondered why dentists warn against frequent consumption of cold drinks? The answer lies in the high sugar content found in many chilled beverages. As delicious as they may be, these sugars are a playground for harmful bacteria that love to nibble away at your tooth enamel, leading to cavities and tooth decay. So next time you're reaching for that ice-cold can, remember, your teeth might not thank you for it. Remember, when it comes to cold drinks, moderation is key. At number 13, let's delve into the connection between cold drinks and bone health. It may come as a surprise, but excessive consumption of fizzy cold drinks can have a negative impact on your bone density. These drinks often contain phosphoric acid, a substance known to leach calcium from bones, leading to a decrease in bone density over time. This can increase the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, so think twice before having that extra can of soda. Surprisingly, at number 12, we have the fact that cold drinks can actually cause dehydration. It's not something we often think about, but many cold beverages, especially those containing caffeine, have diuretic effects. This means they can stimulate your body to get rid of water, leading to dehydration. It's a bit ironic, isn't it? Downing a cold, refreshing drink only to end up more parched than before. So, don't forget to hydrate with water as well. At number 11, we're talking about how cold drinks can affect your digestion. Picture this. Your body works hard to maintain a steady internal temperature. When you consume a cold drink, especially during meals, it can slow down digestion because your body has to work even harder to warm up. This can lead to food not being broken down properly, which might cause indigestion or discomfort. So maybe reconsider that ice-cold drink during meals. Cracking our top 10, did you know that cold drinks can contribute to weight gain? It's a chilling fact indeed. Many of these refreshing beverages are high in sugars and calories, which can sneakily add up throughout the day. Imagine this. A single can of a popular soda can contain up to 9 teaspoons of sugar. That's nearly double the daily recommended amount for adults. But it's not just about the sugar. Many cold drinks, especially those of the creamy or alcoholic variety, are loaded with fats and carbs that can rapidly increase your calorie intake. And here's the kicker. These are often empty calories, meaning they provide little to no nutritional value. So while these cold drinks might quench your thirst, they could be secretly padding your waistline. Opting for lower calorie options, or better yet, good old-fashioned water, can make a significant difference. So make sure to consider the calories in your cold drinks as part of your daily intake. At number 9, it's time to debunk the myth that cold drinks provide energy. You might think that a cold fizzy drink is the perfect pick-me-up, but in reality, it's a bit more complicated than that. Most cold drinks are high in sugar. This sugar gives you a quick energy boost, but it's not long-lasting. Here's how it works. When you consume sugar, your body breaks it down into glucose, which your cells use for energy. However, this process happens rapidly, leading to a sudden spike in your blood sugar levels. Your body reacts by producing insulin to bring these levels back down. This can result in a rapid drop in blood sugar levels, known as a sugar crash. A sugar crash can leave you feeling lethargic, irritable, and even more tired than before you had the drink. So while you might feel an initial surge of energy, it's usually followed by a significant slump. So, don't rely on cold drinks for sustained energy. At number 8, we're looking at how cold drinks can affect your skin. Sugar-loaded beverages, such as many of the cold drinks we consume daily, can cause a spike in our blood sugar levels. This spike triggers a process known as glycation, where excess sugar in the bloodstream attaches to proteins, forming harmful new molecules called advanced glycation end products. These end products can damage collagen and elastin, the protein fibers that keep skin firm and elastic, leading to premature skin aging, wrinkles, and sagging. Moreover, artificial additives and preservatives in these drinks can cause inflammation and allergic reactions, which may manifest on the skin as rashes, acne, or eczema. Not to mention, these drinks often replace healthier hydration options like water, which is essential for maintaining skin moisture and delivering vital nutrients to the skin cells. So, remember, healthy skin starts from within. The next time you're thirsty, try reaching for a glass of water instead of that sugary cold drink. At number 7, let's look at how cold drinks can affect your sleep. The culprit here is often caffeine, a stimulant found in many popular cold beverages including sodas and iced coffees. Caffeine can significantly disrupt your sleep patterns. It does this by blocking the sleep-inducing chemicals in the brain and increasing adrenaline production. If you're wondering about the time it takes for caffeine to wear off, it's longer than you might think. It takes about 6 hours for just half of the caffeine consumed to be eliminated from your body. This means if you're sipping on a caffeinated cold drink late into the evening, it could potentially keep you awake or lead to fragmented sleep. A disrupted sleep cycle can have a domino effect on your day, leading to decreased productivity, mood swings, and even health issues over time. So, think twice before reaching for that cold drink late at night. At number 6, did you know that cold drinks can affect your mood? It might sound surprising, but it's true. The high sugar content in many cold drinks can lead to an immediate mood boost, making you feel energetic and happy. But this is just a temporary high. As your body processes the sugar, your blood glucose level can drop significantly, leading to a sugar crash. This sudden shift can cause mood swings, leaving you feeling irritable, anxious, or even depressed. For individuals sensitive to these shifts, the impact can be even more pronounced. Furthermore, some studies suggest that long-term consumption of high-sugar drinks can increase the risk of developing mood disorders. This is due to the impact of sugar on the brain's reward system, which over time can lead to cravings, addiction, and mood imbalances. So while that fizzy cold drink might seem like a quick pick-me-up, it might actually be contributing to mood shifts and long-term mood problems. So keep in mind that what you drink can affect how you feel. We're in the top 5 now. Did you know that cold drinks can affect your appetite? Unbelievable, isn't it? Well, let's delve into this a bit more. It's a common misconception that diet sodas or sugar-free cold drinks are the healthier choice. But here's the twist. These beverages often contain artificial sweeteners, which can actually increase your hunger. Now you might be wondering, how can something that's supposedly sugar-free make you hungrier? These artificial sweeteners, despite having 0 or minimal calories, can trick your brain into thinking you're consuming sugar. This can lead to increased cravings and ultimately, overeating. What's more, research has shown that people who regularly consume these artificially sweetened beverages tend to have a higher calorie intake overall. This is because the sweetness of these drinks can enhance the sense of hunger, making you reach for that extra snack even when you're not actually hungry. So, be aware of the hidden effects of that diet soda. At number 4, let's talk about how cold drinks can affect your brain. It's not just about quenching your thirst or enjoying the delicious taste. The ingredients in these beverages have a direct impact on your brain's functions. Primary culprits are sugar and caffeine. High sugar content in your drink can lead to a sudden spike and subsequent crash in your blood sugar levels. This roller coaster effect can lead to difficulties in concentration, making you feel foggy or unfocused. On the other hand, caffeine, a common component in many cold drinks, works as a stimulant for your nervous system. While it may give an immediate boost to your alertness, over time, it can lead to dependency and withdrawal symptoms, affecting your memory and cognitive functions. So, the next time you reach for that ice-cold beverage, think about the potential impact on your brain. The occasional treat is fine, but moderation is key. So, remember, your brain is affected by what you drink. In the top 3 now. Did you know that cold drinks can affect your heart? Yes, the connection between cold beverages and heart health might not be immediately apparent, but it's a fact that demands attention. Many cold drinks are loaded with high amounts of sugar. This sugar intake can lead to a series of health complications, one of them being heart problems. Excessive sugar in the bloodstream can lead to obesity, a known risk factor for heart disease. Moreover, high sugar intake can also increase blood pressure levels, another major contributor to heart disease. On top of this, it can lead to inflammation and high triglyceride levels, both of which are harmful to your heart health. The connection is clear. Overconsumption of sugary cold drinks can put your heart at risk. This is not to say that you must completely eliminate cold drinks from your life. Moderation is key, so consider your heart health when reaching for that cold drink. At number 2, we're looking at how cold drinks can affect your kidneys. Now, kidneys are essential to our body's waste management system. They filter our blood, removing waste products and excess fluids. But did you know that your thirst-quenching cold drink could be putting your kidneys under stress? Many cold drinks, particularly sodas and other carbonated beverages, contain a substantial amount of phosphoric acid. This is what gives these drinks their tangy flavor and fizzy sensation. However, when consumed in large amounts, phosphoric acid can disrupt the body's natural balance of calcium and phosphorus, leading to the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits that form in your kidneys and can cause severe pain and discomfort. They're often the result of a diet high in certain types of substances, including phosphoric acid. So, while that ice-cold soda might be tempting on a hot day, it's important to remember that moderation is key. So remember, your kidneys also feel the effects of your cold drink. And now, the most surprising fact of them all. Did you know that cold drinks can accelerate aging? Yes, it's true. It all ties back to the high sugar content found in many of these beverages. Sugar, as we know, is a major contributor to the aging process. It's not just about gaining weight or developing cavities. When consumed in large quantities, sugar can lead to a process known as glycation. In this process, sugar molecules attach themselves to proteins in our body, forming harmful new molecules called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs for short. These AGEs are aptly named as they are indeed the age accelerators. They damage the collagen and elastin in our skin, the protein fibers that keep our skin firm and elastic. Over time, this can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin, visible signs of aging. So, the next time you reach for that cold drink, remember, it could be aging you. There you have it, 15 surprising facts about cold drinks. From their impact on our metabolism to their unseen effects on our brain function, these everyday beverages certainly pack a punch in more ways than one. Who knew that something as common as a cold drink could have such a profound effect on our bodies? So, what were your most surprising takeaways? We'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. Thank you for watching. Remember, knowledge is power, so drink wisely.